After the devastating 7.1 magnitude earthquake in Southern California earlier this month, Fire Chief David Witt reported that we do feel like there's damage, but we don't know the extent of it yet. And there lies the crux of the issue. After natural disasters strike, the most pressing need is getting medical help to the victims that need it the most. But the problem is that there is currently no method for emergency responders to assess who needs help, where they're located, and what exact resources they need. Current methods of 911 calls and Twitter status updates are difficult to organize and are unactionable, and while manual on-the-ground surveys are too time-consuming and unscalable. Our solution Rove leverages crowdsourcing, natural language processing, and real-time analysis of satellite imagery, all built on IBM technologies, to enable emergency responders to reach victims in the shortest amount of time possible. After disaster strikes, through the Twilio integration with IBM Cloud Foundry, victims send status updates about their health, food, and hygiene needs by naturally conversing with the SMS chatbot. The Watson Natural Language Understanding API then generates unique priority scores for every single victim, which is then aggregated into an online dashboard which helps responders see which regions need the most need. SMS is perfect for this since it's incredibly reliable, lightweight, and low cost. Based on the number of available emergency vehicles, personnel, and locations, Rove then automatically combines and clusters different victims and prioritizes every single cluster, enabling responders to efficiently organize and allocate their resources. Finally, emergency responders don't know how to get to the victims because disasters destroy critical pieces of road and building infrastructure. Rove overcomes this by analyzing satellite imagery in real time to provide directions to victims. With IBM Watson Studio, we first trained deep learning algorithms to classify buildings into 5 different levels of damage severity. Then, through a novel diffing-based algorithm, we can perform semantic segmentation to automatically detect obstructed and destroyed roads. The best part of this is that the road detection algorithm can be generalized to any type of natural disaster, making it extremely transferable. Rove revolutionizes the current state of emergency response by cutting down the time required for victims to get medical help, one of the most critical problems. By integrating cutting-edge IBM deep learning and natural language processing technologies, Rove is incredibly scalable and can be easily deployed with any type of natural disaster. We hope Rove is a step towards a future where emergency responders know exactly where to target and where victims can be assured that their requests for help have been heard.